Welcome to the Gambia. What's up everybody? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's Prince here. Welcome to another new video. If this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. Guys, I'm currently coming live from the Gambia, West Africa. I'm at Tabokoto. Here is called Tabokoto. So guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how this part of Tabokoto looks and some parts of Wingara in rainy season in the year 2025. Plus, they are also about to construct a new road here in this part of Tabokoto, the Gambia. So guys, don't waste too much time. Let me just turn the camera and start walking around here in this neighborhood of Tabokoto and Wingara and show you guys how it looks here. Anyways, viewers, so guys, I'll be going this way. First, I wanna cross to get to this other side. Guys, this is the Gambia in rainy season. I'm currently in Tabokoto, walking towards Wingara. Yeah. This is a taxi garage. Yeah. Guys, this is a taxi garage, as you guys can see. Steve. All right. Next time, man. All right, thank you. Okay. So guys, as you guys can see, these are the peoples who will be doing the road construction here. Guys, this is what your boy is getting for you here in this part of the Gambia called Tabokoto. This is how it looks today. Yeah. Guys, this is what your boy is getting for you here in this part of the Gambia called Tabokoto. Yeah, and then I'm almost in Wingara, and then they are also about to construct a new road here. They already do the pavement, as you guys can see, and there are some workers digging a hole over there. Yeah. And guys, this is how this neighborhood of the Gambia looks. Yeah. Guys, one thing I noticed this road projects here in the Gambia, the people who are working at these road projects, most of them are not Gambians. Most of them are mainly from Sierra Leone and Senegal. Only few Gambians work on this road construction sites here in the Gambia. So yeah, guys, now I'm in Wingara, and then this is how this part of Wingara looks, as you guys can see. Yeah, and then I begin the video all the way from there, walking towards down there. And then guys, if you watch the video till here, make sure you like and then subscribe to this YouTube channel. Road to 10k, we are almost at 10,000 YouTube subscribers, and then your likes really helps a lot. It helps YouTube to push the video to a larger audience, so just click the like button. Let's go guys. Guys, this is how a local Gambian community looks. Yeah, if you are wondering how a local Gambian community looks, this is how it looks. This is how this part of Wingara looks. Yeah.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ
And then guys, I will soon end this video. Yeah. It's like I walk in here, showing you the real life. And then guys, this is where I will end this video. As always, if this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. This is all what I have for you in today's video here in Abuko, here in Tabokoto and some parts of Wingara, the Gambia, West Africa. See you on the next video. Peace.